The easiest way to start a YouTube channel, I think, in 2025, 2026, doesn't matter when, but we're in 2025. So the easiest way, I think, is starting a travel channel. Because let me give you an example. My husband and I just went for a trip to British Columbia for the weekend. So just 2 days, not even that long. We could have literally we went away for one day, technically. So you could do it in one day. Doesn't matter where. And I just took some footages of the entire trip, and now I created a travel vlog about our trip to the hot springs in British Columbia. I'll link the video right here if you want to check it out. But anyways, it was something that's not even like I'm not even doing that to make any money of YouTube. I'm just doing it because it is fun, because it is fun to explore new things and to show people new things. So I'm just doing it for that, for the memories, for people who are interested to visit that area, to discover that place before they come. And sometimes you just don't want to drive all this way or take a flight and do the entire trip if it is not what you want to do. So it's better if you have the opinion of someone who's actually there. And I'm actually giving like some tricks on and tips and tricks on where to go and where you can find the secret hot pool that is free. And then like I discovered a video about this area from someone else. We decided that we wanted to go and check it out, and it was actually as beautiful as the video I saw before we went to do that trip. But that is another reason why anyone can start a YouTube channel, because I did check the video of that lady who did the trip 2 years ago, and I was like, okay, it looks it looks beautiful, very beautiful. And we did the same trip, and it was magical. It was amazing. And I decided to do the same. So it doesn't matter if it's like something somewhere where a lot of people have been, your opinion is going to be different than someone else. You're going to film a different way, you're going to have a different view on things, and you're going to see it a different way. That's all. And your point of view is going to attract your tribe, and the way you film might be different, and the way you speak might sound better to someone who will want to follow your channel just because you're funny, or just because your voice is nice, or who knows, you might have so many different reasons why people want to follow you. But anyways, this was an example, an easy example to give you, that you don't even need to necessarily take a video just for your YouTube channel. You're taking the videos for yourself at first, right? You're like, because I was taking videos, and I was like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna turn my camera in landscape mode and take some videos for YouTube as well, because usually you video like in portrait mode now. It's very easy to take videos that way. But then I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna turn it the other way and take some footages just for the YouTube channel. And it was super easy to do, and it was fun because I was having fun discovering those things, and I was excited to see new things. And that's all you need to do. You need to show your excitement and how you see whatever you see when you see it. And this is gonna be what attracts people to your channel. So a travel channel, and a travel channel doesn't have to be, you don't need to travel places necessarily. You can even just go downtown where you live and take videos of restaurants you go to, or coffee shops or museums or the streets, and those things, like it does interest. I guarantee you it's going to interest some people for sure. So yeah, so what I want to tell you guys is that it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be, it has to be interest, like, not interesting. Everything is interesting in a way for someone. So it's not necessarily that. It has to be just different, and from your point of view, from your eyes, whatever you see and however you show it and whatever you tell about that area. And that's all you need to do. You have to be excited. I mean, if you're excited about seeing something, and even if you're not excited about it, just the fact to be disappointed about something that you thought, oh, it was going to be amazing, but it's not. Here you go, guys, let me show you what it really is. Like I guarantee you, like, Paris is beautiful and everything, but I'll take you to areas of Paris where you'll be like, you'll be crying. It's so disgusting. So yeah. So there you go, like, he can show like the true side of some areas that nobody think of, and yeah. So travel channel, guys, it's a great way to start a YouTube channel and monetize a channel because you're doing it for fun, and that's what matters. I think it's that if you do something for fun, or if you do it just to genuinely help people in some ways, this is exactly how you will blow up your channel. You want to be able to help someone. So by showing an area, um, first of all, it is fun to you, but it's also helpful to someone. Someone is gonna want to check it out with your video before going there, and taking their own videos of the place. But that was, to me, just an eye opener again, that everyone can start a YouTube channel, and it doesn't even need to be from a like a subject you like. Travels, I mean, everybody travels. It doesn't even need to be like specific about something in particular. Yes, if you can niche down, and well, you can niche down and just like show, I don't know, the best coffee shops in whatever town. And you have 100 towns around you, the place you live. You can just be going to different towns every day and be like, hey, I'll show you today the best coffee shop in this town, and you just take them along the ride and show them like coffee shops, because who doesn't like coffee or tea, for example, or burgers or donuts? Who knows? But anyways, that's just yeah. It's just like an eye opener that everybody can start a YouTube channel. It doesn't have to be hard to start. You can start with that, and then you can just maybe become more specific about something you really enjoy and like. But honestly, everybody travels, everybody lives somewhere, so you can take videos even in the place you live. And people love that. I'm telling you, people love that. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help you out if you need help. Again, I'm a very small channel, and you know what? I'm not blowing up, and it doesn't matter because I genuinely want to help people to open their eyes that it is possible to monetize your YouTube channel in 2025. It is definitely not saturated because, again, you are unique, and it just has to come from you and your unique self. And that's all that matters. That's all you need to be. You need to be yourself, and you're different in so many ways than every other person doing the talking about the exact same topic you want to talk about. You will be so different in so many ways anyways. I hope that was useful and helpful, and I hope that's going to give you some courage to start. Uh, Start. You won't regret it because it takes one step forward to get going, and then it's getting easier and easier every single time. And again, I'm not perfect. I'm not looking to be perfect because I will never be perfect. I just want to get going and be I want to be consistent with my progress and what I'm doing. And that's what I'm doing. I'm very consistent. I'm really happy about it, even though I'm not blowing up and I'm not gaining thousands of followers every month. It doesn't matter. I'm happy with what I'm doing, and that's what matters. So I'll see you on the next video, guys.